Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to unblock a phone number on Motorola E15. Firstly, hop into Phones app. Now tap on the contact we have blocked previously, and now tap on unblock number. But there is also another way of doing it, so I will keep this guy blocked. And now we have to go back into contacts, and while you're in contacts, tap on the three dots in the right corner, settings, and then go into block numbers. As you can see, here is the phone number of the guy that I have just blocked. I can block also from here someone else. And now if I would like to unblock the guy, I just have to tap the X, which is on the other side on the other side of the phone number. So X and unblock. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.